we got it ready over there. So we got it ready here. Then go. On the grandstand side, wait a minute, Alan Whitfield. Comes down out of the Millerville country there. He's got a beautiful little 1830. I believe this is a 1930, is it not, Miss Whitfield? I was right. Hey, I got one right this morning. I got a 1930. Miss Whitfield has a very unique style of driving. She likes to drive barefoot. She's running the choke with her toes. Apparently her arms are too short to reach all the way in there, so she gets creative, and I know I couldn't do that. I ain't that flexible. Oh, almost thought we had a... If you stall or ride the brakes, you're disqualified. Your competitor automatically wins. I thought Mrs. Whitfield almost pulled the close there. Over on the stage side, we have Tom Wilson driving a real nice Hart-Parr 30. What year is that, Tom? 1922. He's a little older. So, he's not taking any slack on this young kid over here. Oh, Ms. Whitfield just lost a shoe there. Oh, that's what you get for driving shoeless there. Anybody want a shoe? No? Okay, I'll give it back. They're going to come right down. They're going to make this a heat here. Iron. Ms. Whitfield by about a half an inch. Oh, we stalled her by about 6 inches there. Now we're going to have a little impromptu starting competition. Oh, so close. And we got her second time's the charm. Get Tom around the block.